The Tesla Powerwall app setup is strangely intimidating for something meant to make your life easier. Every screen seems like it came from a NASA control center. No one ever talks about that part. But once you're dialed in, it's magic. First step, download the Tesla app from the App Store or Google Play. Not the car version, same app, different features. Install it, open it, and log in using the Tesla account tied to your Powerwall. Your installer should have set that up. If your Powerwall hasn't appeared in the app yet, don't panic. It usually takes about 24 hours after the installation for the system to activate and sync. The app won't recognize it until it's talking to Tesla's servers. Be patient, barely. On your first login, the app may walk you through a brief onboarding. Tap on Energy from the main screen. This is where the magic starts. You'll see your home, solar if you have it, grid, and Powerwall as separate icons. Here's the part that trips people up. Setting backup preferences. Go to Customize in the Energy settings, then choose Backup Reserve. This is the percentage of battery saved for outages. I keep mine at 30% so I'm not left in the dark. You can switch your Powerwall to different operating modes: self-powered, time-based control, and backup only. Self-powered is best if you have solar and want to maximize savings. Time-based control shines if your utility charges peak rates daily. Time-based control takes a little thinking. You'll need to enter your utility's peak off-peak hours, usually found on your bill. Tesla uses that to determine when to charge your Powerwall or pull energy from it. This feature can save you hundreds yearly. Pro tip: if your utility doesn't have variable pricing, don't bother with time-based control. Stay on self-powered. You'll still reduce your grid consumption by up to 90% with even one Powerwall, depending on your household usage. Notifications are important. Go to Settings, then Notifications. Enable outage alerts, otherwise the lights will go out and you won't even know the Powerwall kicked in. I got caught off guard once during a storm while cooking. Never again. Expect some wacky data the first few weeks. The app needs usage patterns to optimize settings. Your solar might overproduce or underutilize the Powerwall at first, but give it time. After 1 week, mine started syncing like it actually understood me. If things ever go haywire, go to your physical Powerwall and press the reset button, a small pinhole near the bottom. Hold it for 5 seconds. This will reboot the gateway and restore app sync in 5 to 10 minutes, like CPR for your battery. Once you're comfortable, the app becomes less about control and more about peace of mind. You'll obsessively watch the little energy flows: sun to home, sun to Powerwall, Powerwall to grid. It's strangely calming, like watching your house breathe on its own.